Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE S86 PRO, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application, and after that click here and enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. So now just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. So it always takes not so much time. I don't know what is it. Maybe I just have poor internet connection. I don't know. Okay, oh, that's done. So now just open the app here, click enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher. After that tap to OK, again OK, and then go back, click switch input method and switch the keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now you can see that the process is finished, and now we should go somewhere, for example here into the Google search, and now we can see the look of our new device keyboard. And as can you see, that keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of these matches. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.